All right, in this video, I'll show you how to split a single PDF page in half. So like you can see in this example here, you've got a single PDF page, but it's kind of divided into two separate activities. So how do you like cut that in half so that you could give that to students on, say, as two separate activities, right? It's simple in a physical classroom to just simply cut that sheet in half, but how would you do that digitally? So there is not a way you can do this using the Kami split and merge tool, but I'm still going to open this PDF with Kami. So I've got the PDF preview here. I'm going to select open with Kami. And like I said, while I'm not going to be doing it in Kami, splitting it, the process is actually quite simple. Nevertheless. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use an extension. And if you don't already have this extension, just go to the Chrome Web Store. And I'm sure there are several other screenshotting tools that would accomplish something very similar, but the one I've been using recently is called Awesome Screenshot. And I like this one because it will download my screenshot as a PDF straight away so that I can instantly assign that, in Google Classroom. Students could open it up natively in Kami. So it's just really straightforward and simple to do. So I recommend Awesome Screenshot. If you don't already have that blue button right there should say install, but I already have mine up here in my extensions. Okay, so let's get to it then. I have the PDF open in Kami that I want to basically cut in half. So I am going to use Awesome Screenshot. And on the left here, you've got capture. On the right, you've got record, right? We're going to just be capturing. Capture is just taking a still image, right? And I'm going to select selected area. I just want to choose an area. You can see I've got that cross that appears on the screen there, and I'm going to click and drag. You can see it basically highlights the areas that it's going to cut. And then I let go. I click save. Processes it. Okay, and then I just click done. And your options for downloading it, right? The easiest method is going to be download it as a PDF. Give it a name. I'll call this, this is page 1, and I'm going to label it A for part A, and then I'll label the bottom part B. So I'll save that, close it, and then I'm going to do exactly that same thing with the bottom. So scroll down, Awesome Screenshot, capture, selected area, highlight the area that I want. Save. Done. Download as PDF. Page 1B. And then I'll just carry on with the second page here. It looks like there's 2 pages. So scroll down, Awesome Screenshot, capture, selected area, click and drag over the top, save, done, download as PDF. This is page 2A. And the last part. So Awesome Screenshot, capture, selected area, click and drag, let go, save, done, PDF, page 2B, save. All right, and that's it. So now, right, you'd probably want to be assigning this in Google Classroom. So what I would recommend is if you have multiple pages that you're going to want to be doing this with, create a folder and organize them. So I'll create a folder, and let's call this, I don't know, let's say these are bell ringers. We'll call them, this looks like it was Social Studies, PDF, bell ringers. You call it whatever works for you, of course. Create. There it is. So I'm going to take each of these over here, and I'm working on a desktop computer, so they downloaded to my computer. If you're on a Chromebook, they may have automatically just saved in your drive, and then you would just move them from wherever they are in your drive into this specific folder that you want. but mine downloaded to my computer. That's why I'm clicking and just dragging them into this folder that I just created. And you can see it's done that now. Like I said, if you were on a Chromebook and your documents saved automatically to your drive, you could just right-click on them and select Move to, and choose whatever folder in your drive you wanted to move them to, right, by clicking Move here. Or of course, if it's in your drive, you could also just click and drag that way as well into the folder that you want. Okay, so now that I've dragged them all in there, I can quickly just check, and I've got page 1A, which should be the top section. That's a PDF. Page 1B, the bottom section, that's already a PDF, right? And then you can just assign those in Google Classroom as you would assign any other PDF document. Students can open them up using Kami, since it's already a PDF, and they can complete it that way. And that's it. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, just let me know.